Hey, how's everyone doing today? So I just wanted to give you guys a little update. It's a new recall, and this one affects brand new vehicles, 2023 model years. It affects some Honda Civics, Honda Accord, the Acura RDX, and the Acura Integra. And all of these are from the 2023 model year. So brand new vehicles. And what it has to do with, the brake hold mechanism. Now, if you don't know what that is, a lot of the new cars now have, there's a button that you can push. So when you come up to a stop, when you come into a complete stop, you can let your foot off the brake if you have brake hold engaged, and it'll hold you there. You don't need to keep the brake applied. Works good on like hill situations and that kind of stuff. But so I guess what the issue is, I'll read what Honda released here. So here's the brake hold in my car. Now the switch is in different areas, but it'll be similar. It'll say brake hold on it, and it's just a simple button that you push on, and then it'll illuminate on the dash. But so for Honda, it affects some 2023 Honda Civics and Accords. And what the problem is that they said a defect occurred because a ball valve was damaged during manufacturing process. After there was a foreign object that was stuck in the caulking tool that was used to seal the valve, and because of that, the valve may not sufficiently seal, and that's what makes the brake hold. When you engage it, it'll hold. It'll act like the brake is depressed. So that would fail. So then, what would happen is if you haven't engaged and you say you're on a hill and you think brake hold's engaged, it might hold temporarily. And then since the seal's not solid, it's not a great seal, it could just start inching forward. Or if you're on a huge hill, it might start rolling back. So as you can see, that would be a huge thing. And then the Acura models is the RDX. There's some RDX models, and then the new Integra. And like I said, these are all 2023 model years. And then for Honda, for the Honda Civic, they were manufactured between November 23rd, 2022 and December 13th, 2022. So that, not even a month that they were produced for the Civic. And the Accord is from December 1st, 2022 to December 6th, 2022. So that's only 5 days of that. But as you know, they crank these cars out. So definitely good to be aware of that. And then on the Acura side, the RDX models were manufactured between December 1st, 2022 and December 5th, 2022. So real close to the Accord. And then the Integra, 2023 Integra, were made between November 30th, 2022 and January 4th, 2023. So the Integra covers the most. That's a full month and a week. And Honda will start mailing out notices to owners of vehicles that fall within that range and that they deem are effective. So you can schedule an appointment to get that fixed. And Honda says it will start contacting vehicle owners via mail beginning on July 24th. So a few weeks from now. And then you'll get a letter if your vehicle's affected, so you can make an appointment to get that taken care of. And then it states here that if you had to have that repaired and you paid for it out of pocket, that they'll reimburse you. And I don't know of anyone, if it did fail, if they would even pay to fix that. But maybe there are some people that like it that much that would actually pay if it's out of warranty to fix it. But in that case, if you paid for the service to have it done to be repaired, just hopefully you have your receipt. And then Honda will reimburse you for that expense. So again, I just want to keep you guys updated. If you have a 2023 Honda Civic, Accord, or 2023 Acura RDX or Integra, it doesn't hurt to call your dealer and ask them about the Honda brake hold recall, and you want to know if yours is affected by it. You can do that, or you can wait till the 24th and they'll start mailing out letters. I'm always fond of calling the dealer because letters get misplaced and what have you, and then you'll never know if yours was affected or not. So it's a simple phone call to the dealer, and this got released. It should be on their portal as well, that they can look it up and find out per your VIN. Okay, so again, I just want to give you guys some new information that just came out. It does seem like these are happening more often, but as we know, the quality of vehicles is not the same as it used to be. They are cutting corners for sure. Even on my car, I've noticed things that wouldn't have happened before, just fit and finish issues, and I've been seeing your guys' complaints about that. Definitely different, so it's good to stay up on this and get it taken care of ASAP, so your car is, most importantly, is safe to drive. So again, hope that helps some of you guys out. If you have one of those vehicles, again, just make a phone call to get that repaired if you need to. And let me know in the comment section below if you've had issues with your brake hold not working. I never use it because I'm always stop and go in the city, so for me it's kind of pointless. But if you commute a lot or stuck on hills and stuff, I've heard people really love it. So again, just let me know in the comment section. I appreciate that. Hope everyone's having a great day out there, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks again, everybody.